Local contractors repair roads by milling off the old damaged pavement and replacing it with a new hot mix layer. Tons of the milled off pavement are stockpiled in landfills every year. Hot application techniques are used to recycle a small percent of the removed stones. However, these expensive methods result in environmental pollution due to reheating fumes and increased carbon emissions. Not only are asphalt companies limited in the quantities they can recycle, but also in the parts of the year they can work, operating only in warm temperatures. In recent years, Halik has developed a revolutionary RAP recycling technology, Soup. Soup is the black liquid mix of rejuvenators and stabilizers that is added to reclaimed asphalt pavement, allowing 100% of the stones to be reused. The final cold mix can be used for pothole repairs, utility cuts, manhole surrounds, corrugation, packaged cold asphalt, new road construction, as well as others, all cold applied. The technology offers financial savings in material, transportation, energy, and total job costs. Since the Soup technology is cold applied, year-round workability is achieved. Water-filled potholes can be repaired with no compaction or special equipment needed. New roads can be constructed in winter months, and packaged cold asphalt can be used by anyone, anywhere. Reducing consumption of natural resources, with Soup, you no longer need to choose between saving the environment and saving costs.